Hey everybody, it's Amy Graham, the Badass Valkyrie, and this is my first order from Chic Sparrow in quite a while. They recently had a 40% off sale of all of the discontinued leathers that they were trying to clear out. And at 40% off, that does not happen very often. I think I've seen it once. Over a Labor Day or not Labor Day, but Thanksgiving sale or something like that. But I jumped on it. I jumped on it a little too well. But then again, I haven't had an order from Chic Sparrow in quite a while, as I said. So we are just going to open this up. Woohoo! I do know there are 4 items in this, just so you're aware. And on my order notes, I put as rustic and pebbly and wrinkly as possible. So, woohoo, a new sticker. Yay! Ooh, I love that. All right, so I'm going to just pull these out from the end because I want to try to save that, but it's going to take longer than I want to spend. And this is the new card. My product warranty. Oh, wow. I have not seen this before. So let me go ahead and make sure you're in camera. Huh. Whoop. I have not seen that. And then this is the new sticker. If the plan doesn't work, change the plan, not the goal. I love that. And let me make sure I'm in camera here. There we go. So that sticker I love. Okay, there are 4 items here. Get my receipt out. I don't want to ruin the surprise, but I mean, I know what I ordered, but I don't technically remember everything I ordered because I ordered it the sale started, I think, at like 10 a.m. Pacific time on like a Wednesday. And I did not order anything until 11 o'clock that night. So, interestingly enough, what I wanted was still left. So, all right, this is, yay! This is the Tea House Chai. And it is a folio. And it is a B6 Slim, I think. That is beautiful. Let me get all of that out. Oh, I love that. This is the second Tea House piece that I've gotten. I got the tan one. I can't even remember the name of it. But, yeah. Oh, I got the Tea House Chai, the old one. This is the chamomile. However you want to say that. Chamomile is what I say. And this is the first one that I've gotten that has the little clip on it. Ooh, yay! So this has the matching stitching, but it has a white elastic, which I actually kind of like. So there's that. And we are going to, this is a weekly cover. And yay! This is the midnight. Oh my gosh. Hold on. This is the Starry Night. Starry Night. This is the Waypoint leather, which I love the Waypoint leather so much. Oh my gosh. But this is the Starry Night. And this is the weekly folio. Ooh, that's interesting. This side is really pebbly, and this side is very smooth. But I love that the outside is super, super pebbly. And I love the feel of the Starry Night. Oh, and it smells so wonderful. And it's got the matching blue stitching. And this is, I think, a blue elastic. I can't tell for sure if it's blue or black. But, so that's the weekly, which is awesome. I'm not going to put that on top of the chamomile. Then next is, let's see. Oh, this is the Starry Night B6 Slim folio. This is a little less textured. You can tell the difference there. This one's got more vein in it, and this one's more pebbly. This reminds me more of the, oh my gosh. It was more of a pebbly leather line that she had. The Pemberley line. But it's got little tiny pebbles, and it's kind of consistent all the way through. But yeah, this is just beautiful. Again, this is another B6 Slim. I'm finding that I really love that particular size. And these were made for the cafe notes, and I really enjoy that notebook as well. So there's that one. Then this one is another this one is another folio. Oh, yay. This one's the older style folio, and this is the Cherry Sky. No, this one's the Misty Mountain. I forgot, this is Misty Mountain. It was like the purple. Oh my gosh. Okay, I love that kind of veiny look. Oh my goodness. This is gorgeous. And this is an A6. And this is why I bought the A6 Midori notebook. To go in this. I'm going to pull off that little cover, and is that all the way in? Sometimes with, especially this particular folio, oh my God, look at that pull up. Oh, you have to go in and kind of clear it all the way to the end, just so it is opened up. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm not going to take the time to put it all in, but oh, I love the feel of that. That is perfect. But that's the A6 Misty Mountain folio. Then last but not least, the Cherry Sky. Oh my goodness. This is another Waypoint leather. This is the red. And oh, see this kind of veining. I love that. Much more than the smooth side. Give me rustic, give me, oh my gosh, look at that deep pebbling in there. Oh, it is so pretty. So this is the Cherry Sky. So this is another A6, and you can tell the different, there's two different style. This is the old style folio with the three different pieces, and then this is the one piece. They're both A5 or A6, but this one, the older style, is a little bit wider, and then this one is a little bit taller. So you can kind of see it there, how it's just a tad bit taller. And then this is the B6 compared to the or the Tea House. Those are both the same size, but that's what I've got. I've got two A6, I've got two B6, and I got a weekly. I love the Waypoint leather so much. I'm going to pull that off so it doesn't absorb any of the colors. But I love the Waypoint leather, and since the Waypoint line was going away, I wanted to be sure that I got some of each color, And I already had the quiet brown, quiet. There's like the rich caramel, or the caramel, the different colored browns. This is the rich caramel, I think. This is one I got off of a buy sell trade, and it is also the brown the brown waypoint. So I've got a couple of pieces of this type. Then I also have the big bag in that as well, but I didn't have any of the other sizes. And so the two A6s, I use these a lot for journaling or tracking. And then this notebook, as I said, is going to be used for recipes that I use and I want to hang on to. And I will probably keep it in the Misty Mountain, which, oh, I love this so much. I didn't really think I would like the Misty Mountain until I actually got a sample of it. And I was like, oh, that is so pretty. But I hadn't had time or taken the time to order more. And until she discontinued it, I was like, I'm fine. I've got plenty of time. And then I was like, oh, no. So I love this style just because it doesn't have a closure. And it lays flat. This is the newer style, and just take this out, and it slides in there so much easier. But there's quite a bit of room in there, and you can probably get something a little bit taller if some of your A6s are not perfectly A6. But yeah, I love those so much. And on this one, as you can tell, it was like I had to work to get it into that slit just perfectly. But I actually really like this design, just because it stays shut more like a book. This one will too, but it has, if I had a bigger book in there, it might not stay as closed without the closure. But I like that too. And then the two Starry Nights, which if you look at the two different, you can see the differences in the texture quite a bit. So see if I can bring that up to kind of show you that a lot different. And then the chamomile, and that one's beautiful as well. So this one will show marks and like fingerprints, the oils from your fingers. It will do that a lot more. And I had originally wanted to get something in the matcha, but it was sold out. And I love yellow. It's not one of my favorite colors, but it brings me joy. And so I was like, okay, we'll do that. And since I already had the chai, I knew that I liked the feel of the leather and how it had been done. And so I just picked that up as well. So there you have it. My order from Chic Sparrow from their sale. 2 Starry Nights, a chamomile, a Misty Mountain, and a cherry sky. I hope you guys are doing well. Let me know down below if you ordered anything from their sale. I would love to know. It still could possibly be going on. I haven't checked the website, but I know a couple of days ago it was still going on, but it had a very limited of what was left. So I think it's 40% off until they get rid of it, but I could be wrong. I could be wrong. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.